Hi everyone, it's Milla, and today I made these super cute Disney princess Tsum tsum charms out of shrink plastic. I made 3 charms: Snow White, Aurora and Cinderella. First, you need to print out or draw your designs. Then draw your designs on shrink plastic with permanent markers. I used Sharpies. I left some of the areas uncolored on purpose. My childhood favorite princesses were Cinderella and Ariel. Which princess is your favorite? Let me know. I only used black, blue and red markers for these charms. Next, I cut the charms out, leaving space on top for the holes. Here the charms are ready to be shrinked. Remember to make the holes before you shrink the charms. I used light nude and yellow nail polish to color the hair and faces of the designs. You could also use acrylic paints for this. Almost done. They are looking so cute already. I used Ranger's Glossy Accents to gloss my charms. Glossy Accents is a clear dimensional gloss medium. You can use other glosses too, or even UV resin. Then I added jump rings and the charms are finished. All done. They turned out so cute. You could use these charms in DIY jewelry, keychains, pins, or even magnets. Let me know if you want more Disney themed DIYs. Bye!